Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to see how to create a layers and how to assign a layers to the existing drawing and how to convert the layers from one file to another file. For that, concentrate on the screen. Let's understand what is layer in AutoCAD 2021. Layers are the primary method for organizing the objects in a drawing by function or a purpose. Layers can reduce the visual complexity of a drawing and improve display performance by hiding information that you don't need to see at the moment. Before you start drawing, create a set of layers that are useful to your work. In a house plan, you might create layers for the foundation, floor plan, doors, fixtures, electrical, and so on. For a machine, you can create a separate layers for each part of it. So layers are used to organize the object in a separate groups. And also we can hide, freeze, lock the layers as per the required. The best practice of drawing is first create a layer and draw the diagram by selecting the required layers. Let's see how to create a layers in AutoCAD user interface. Where to find a layers? To find a layers, go to the home ribbon. Under home ribbon, here you will see the layers tab. From this tab, we can create a layers. By default in AutoCAD, we have one layer that is called the zero layer. Here we can see the layer properties manager. From this layer properties manager, we can create a layers. We can also call this property manager from format menu. Under format menu, here you will see the layers properties manager. When you click this button, you will see the layers properties manager box. Let me close it. Or you can also call the layers properties manager by using layers toolbar. This is called the layers toolbar. If you don't have this toolbar, you can bring the toolbar from the tools menu. Go to the tools menu. From the tools menu, go to the toolbar option. Under toolbar, go to the AutoCAD. From here, you can select the layers option. And then you can place the layers toolbar wherever you want. Let me keep the toolbar at the top and click on the corner here. You will see the layers properties manager. Click on this. This is called the layer properties manager box. Let me close this box. Before understanding the layers, let's see the properties. Here you will see the name of each and every property is by layer. That means all these three properties are set as per the current layer. If I change the layer, then the properties of that layer automatically reflected into properties toolbar. So whenever you select a layer, make sure that here there should be by layer, by layer, by layer option. Let's see how to create a layer. To create a layer, we can go to the layer properties manager, or we can also call the layer properties manager by typing LA from the command line. Type LA and then enter. Here you will see the layer properties manager dialog box. We can move the layer properties dialog box wherever you want. You can also minimize and maximize by using drag and drop option. Here you will see one layer, that is a zero layer. If you want to create a layer, here we have an option called create a new layer. Just click on this. Now you will see the layer is created. The default name of the layer is layer 1. If you want to change the name, just type the name of the layer and then click somewhere else. Now here you will see I have created a layer with a name of 1. If I want to change the name of the layer, then select the layer, right click, click on rename layer option. Now let me name the layer as part 1 and then click somewhere here. Here we have different type of options like on, freeze and lock. And from here we can change the properties of that layer. To change the color of the layer, just click on here, select the color as per your requirement and then click on OK. Let me create another layer. To create a layer, click on here. Let me name the layer as part 2 and then let me change the color. Let me select the color as red color and then click on OK. Let me change the line type. To change the line type, click on here and then let me select the center line. To load the line, click on here and then type C and then enter and then select the center line and then click on OK. Here you will see I have changed the color and as well as line type. Let me create another layer. Click on here. Let me name it as part 3 and then let me change the color to something like this and then click on OK. Let me keep the line type as solid line and then let me change the line weight as, let us consider 0.3 mm and then click on OK. So in this way I can change the color, line type and as well as line weight. Let me add another layer. Click on here to add the layer. In this way I can go on creating a layers as per the required. Let us consider if I want to delete some layers, I can delete the layer. But AutoCAD restrict you deleting a layer. Let's see what are the restrictions to delete a layer. Select the layer which you want to delete and then go to here. Here you will see an option delete a layer. Click on this. Now here you will see the restrictions to delete a layer. Here you will see the reasons to not to delete a layer. If the layer is 0 or def point, we cannot delete a layer. That means this is a 0 layer, so we cannot delete this layer. At the same time, this layer is also a current layer, so we cannot delete the current layers. Layers containing objects. If you create a diagram by using any of these layers, we cannot delete the layer unless you delete the diagram. and xref dependent layers cannot be deleted. That means if you import the diagram, if the diagram contains layers, that layers cannot be deleted. So these are the conditions not to delete a layer. Let me close this option. If I want to delete this layer, I can delete because this is not a zero layer, this is not a current layer, and also I have not created any diagram by using this layer. Let me select this layer and click on this button, and then you will see the layer is deleted. Let me close this window. Now here you will see whatever the layers I have created that will be available under layers toolbar, and at the same time here you can see the different type of layers which I have created. Let's select the rectangle. Let me create the diagram like this. Let me change the layer to part 1. Whenever you change a layer, the properties of that layer will be assigned to by layer options. Let me call the rectangle command. Let me draw the diagram like this by using different layers. Let me draw the diagram like this. Let me select the circle. Let me draw the circle like this. Let me change the layer. Let me select the layer as part 2. Again you will see the properties of the layer is reflected here. Let me select the rectangle. Let me draw the rectangle. Also let me draw the circle. Let me change the layer again to part 3. Here you will see the changes as per the layer. Let me draw the rectangle here. Now this diagram is a group of different layers. Let me move little bit this side. Let's see different visibility options. When you click here you will see there are 3 options are there. The first one is on and off, and the second one is freeze and thaw, and third one is lock or unlock. Let's understand one by one. Here we have a table describes the difference between each of them. When you off a layer, the objects of a turn off layer cannot be seen and also cannot be modified. But you can set that layer as a current layer and you can create the objects. Let's turn off some layer. Let me off the layer part 1. When you click on part 1, here you will see the objects of that layer are invisible. And also we cannot modify because the layers are invisible. But we can set this layer as a current layer. If you want to select this layer, click here. Click on OK. Now you will see this layer is set as a current layer. If I can set this layer as a current layer, then I can draw the diagram. Let me select the rectangle. Let me draw the rectangle like this. Even though the rectangle is invisible, but I can create a rectangle. I have created the rectangle. Let me on the layer. Click on here. Here you will see the rectangle which I have created when the layer is off. Let's understand the next property, that is freeze and thaw. When you freeze the layer, you cannot see the layer, and at the same time you cannot modify the layer. And also you cannot set this layer as a current layer. When you can't set this layer as a current layer, then you cannot create the objects by using this layer. Let me freeze the part 2 layer. Click on here. Here you will see the objects which are in part 2 are hidden, and also we cannot modify because it is hidden. And at the same time I cannot select this layer as a current layer. Let me click on part 2. Here you will see the selected layer cannot be set as a current layer. Click on close. So if you can't set this layer, then we cannot create the diagrams by using that layer. Let's understand the last option, that is lock and unlock. When you lock the layer, you can see the objects of that layer, but we cannot modify, and we can set the layer as a current layer, and we can also create the objects. Let's lock the layer part 3. Click on here. Here you will see the yellow color rectangle is locked. That means you cannot apply any modification tools on this layer. Select the copy command. Select the rectangle. Here you will see this object is locked, so we cannot select this object. At the same time we can't delete these layers. Let me select the entire diagram. Use the delete command to delete. Press delete command. Here you will see this object is not deleted because this object is not selected. Let me do undo. But I can select this layer as a current layer. Let me click on here. You will see this layer is selected as a current layer. I can draw the diagram by using this layer. Even though this layer is locked, but I can draw the diagram. Let me unlock the layer. Let us consider if I want to change the layer of this diagram, select the diagram and you can assign the layer whatever the layer you want. Let me assign the layer part 1. Click on here and use the escape button to deselect the object. Here you will see this object is converted into part 1 layer. Let me use the escape button. And if I want to change the color of the part 1 layer, go to here. From this option, you can change the color. Let me change the color like this and then click on OK. You will see the object color of that layer is automatically changed. Let's understand how to copy a layer from one file to another file. Let me open a new file. Click on new option and then click on open. Here you will see we have only one layer, that is a 0 layer. If I want to copy the layers from one file to another file, let me go to the window option. Let me select the drawing tool and then select the required diagram of that layer. Let me select the entire diagram. Use the Ctrl C to copy the diagram, Ctrl plus C, and then go to the window option and then select the drawing 3 file And here you will see we have only one layer. Let me paste the diagram which I have copied. Use the Ctrl V button to copy the diagram. Ctrl plus V and then click somewhere here. Z enter, A enter to zoom all the diagram. Now here you will see along the diagram the layers also copied. Let me delete this diagram, but layers will be remain in this file. I can use these layers to create a diagram in this file. So in this video we have seen how to create a layers and how to assign a layers to the drawing, and also we have seen how to copy a layer from one file to another file. That's it in this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.